This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, November the 23rd, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system over the eastern part of the country producing some showers and thunderstorms across the mid-Atlantic down into the southeast, with some snow across the northern parts of New England, and a new storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest with snow in the mountains and rain in lower elevations. Watch warning map from around midnight. Winter weather issues across New England, and wind advisories, high wind warnings, and some winter weather issues over the Cascades of Washington and Oregon. Otherwise, some fog advisories in the center part of the country. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock shows the heaviest amounts of rain over the southeast and also the Pacific Northwest with the storm system there. The storm over the center part of the country will be an upper level low later in the weekend. Let's take a look at it. The 0Z GFS Model Run at 6 p.m. this evening. You can see a trough over the mid-Atlantic into New England with that storm system there, and a vortex over the Pacific Northwest into just west of Los Angeles, producing some showers there. And while in the middle part of the country here, we have southwest winds coming with temperatures climbing into the 50s across the state. Thanksgiving looks spectacular across the area with fairly gusty winds of 15 to maybe 20 or 25 miles per hour, highs upper 50s to lower 60s across the state. On Friday, it starts to sour a little bit. Some rain moves in late in the day. Temperatures do ease off a bit back into the lower to middle 50s. And we head off to Saturday. Here comes the cold weather. 540 line dive bombs behind the frontal system, so any precipitation by Sunday evening will switch over to a rain-snow mix with temperatures falling into the 30s. And by Sunday, it'll be much cooler, highs in the upper 30s to lower to mid 40s, with decreasing cloudiness as the storm system begins to move off. However, by Monday, there's the upper level low. On this model run, it's further to the south and east, but here comes another piece of energy coming into the northern plain states. It'll be circulating around the upper level low, and it'll also be bringing a shot of some fairly cold Arctic air coming in, while the precipitation remains to our south and east on Monday. We head into Tuesday, and that upper level feature begins to move straight north. Backlash precipitation in the form of some snow flurries or snow showers, with a cold high pressure moving into the Dakotas and temperatures in the 30s. A week from today, next Wednesday, the 30th, the upper level trough begins to ease out of the area, but the winds are still coming out of the north and west, and that means cold weather and some chances of some flurries or snow showers heading into the middle of the week and the 1st of December. We head further into the future, into Voodoo, December the 4th. There's an upper level feature over the Great Lakes and into New England, with the winds still out of the north and west out of Canada, and that means, yet again, it's still cold, with some chances of some flurries or light snow showers with highs likely in the 30s with some northwesterly winds. And at the end of the forecast on December the 8th, the main storm track just right overhead, but still coming out of more of the Pacific than of Canada, and that means it won't be as cold as before, but it'll still be quite chilly, highs in the 40s, which will be typical for early December, with some chances of precipitation later into the month if this holds out. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.